Hi, Amy.
If y equals to some function, let's call it f of x. Okay, so if this function is continuous at every point of the closed interval, let's call it from a to b, and the same function is differentiable at every point on its interior. That means non-inclusive from a to b. Then there, bless you, there is at least one point, let's call it C, in open interval a to b, which f prime of C is the same as f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. Okay, there's the theorem. Now you tell me what it means. Ah, okay. I like the way you're thinking. This is the average slope, average rate of change, right? Average speed, average velocity.
Oh, average, mean, derivatives, slope, volar, speed, or whatever.
Okay, so let's talk about the part I just highlighted. Would you agree? The part I just highlighted, it's an average rate of change. That's like an algebra 1 definition. Would you guys agree with that? Okay, so let's go back to this function. Let's sketch. I'm a visual learner, you know, so let's give us a sketch. Let's make up a function. It says close interval. Let's start here, close dot. Whoa, there's a close dot. Okay, close interval from a to b. Look at this function for me. Is it differentiable everywhere from a to b? Perfect. So the highlighted part is the slope. True or false? Yes, the slope from A all the way to B. So let me connect that line for you. By the way, it's also the definition of the slope of the secant line, because I know two dots, right? True or false? Is that the slope of that line? Yeah, that's a secant line. If you know 2 dots, then you have a secant line. Then the definition says, well, if it's true, if it's continuous and it's closed, okay, and it's differentiable everywhere from A to B, non-inclusive at A and B, then you are guaranteed to have at least one point, somewhere in between there. What does this right here mean? The derivative, right? The derivative is equal to that same slope. Equals means the same. Well, you have 2 lines at the same slope. What's happening to the line? Parallel. So if you look at this, is it possible to find a C value in between those? That will give me the same slope, aka parallel line. Yeah, based on our sketch, how many to be exact? I got 2. So that's what it's saying, okay? It's saying that, hey, you're guaranteed to have at least one. Okay? In this case, we have 2. That's what it's saying. So should we spell out AKA? AKA. Somewhere over the rainbow. Okay. Somewhere between points A and B, somewhere between points A and B, there is at least, how many? At least one. At least one. You're guaranteed to have at least one tangent. One tangent and tangent line, they're talking about the same thing. One tangent line, okay? What's happening to the tangent line? This tangent line is going to be parallel, okay? Parallel to the secant line. Would you guys agree? From A to B. Yep.